In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink an image in an email using Gmail. This could be a handy feature to give your emails a more professional touch, allowing you to incorporate clickable images that lead your recipients to a specific web page or resource. So let's dive right in and explore how you can accomplish this in just a few straightforward steps. First and foremost, you're going to want to open your Gmail account and begin by clicking on the Compose button, which you'll find typically located at the top left corner of your Gmail dashboard. This starts a new email draft where you'll be integrating your hyperlinked image. Once your new message window is open, look for the photo icon. This is the insert photo option, which you'll need to click next. It's normally positioned at the bottom alongside other formatting tools designed to enhance your email. Now, after clicking this icon, a window will pop up giving you a variety of choices for photo integration. You'll want to select the upload option next. This is where you can upload the image you intend to hyperlink. With that done, click on Browse. Doing so will allow you to navigate through your computer files to find the specific image you'd like to add. Select your desired file, and it will be inserted right into the body of your email. Next, you're going to need to highlight this inserted image. Click and drag your mouse over the image until it's highlighted. This highlighting process is crucial because it designates the selected image for hyperlinking. Look for the insert link icon and click on it. This is typically shown as a small chain link symbol and is located along the toolbar at the bottom of the email. Once clicked, a dialog box will appear. Now you'll see an option called Change. You'll need to click on this, which will let you edit the hyperlink for the image. Here's where you enter the URL of the web page you want the image to link to. It's important to ensure that you have the correct URL so your recipients are directed precisely where you intend. Double checking the link is always a good idea to avoid any broken or incorrect hyperlinks. After you've carefully entered your preferred URL, simply click on Apply. This final action saves your changes and transforms your image into a clickable link. There you have it, your image in your Gmail email is now successfully hyperlinked. This technique can be particularly useful for email marketing campaigns or sending out visually engaging personal emails. Just remember, keeping your content clean and relevant ensures better engagement from your recipients. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.